So I got my shipment today. It's actually a Chinese diesel heater. That's the picture that you guys seen earlier. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open it up and reveal it to see if we got all the, what you say when you order something from China. This is actually a 2-watt, 12-volt diesel heater system for my little stealth camper slash bug-out trailer. Okay, let's see what they sent us. Got my trusty little handy key knife. Comes with some instructions. Comes with a bag of clamps. That looks like the remote right there. Kind of hard to see. I don't know what this is. Kind of looks a little bit smashed. It's a metal hose of some sort. Hope that isn't the exhaust hose. It's not very big. It's a little bit mushed. I don't know. That's kind of crappy. This has got to be the muffler. Yeah, I think that this would be the muffler, and it would attach to this smashed little hose via a clamp. See the hose is a little bit mashed. Now this wasn't the cheapest heater on Amazon. This was actually a mid-range heater. Let's see what we got here. Oh, got some more stuff at the bottom here. Looks like it's in the... Oh, there's a bigger vent and another vent. We got the box. Got some electrical here falling out. Got a little controller that sits in here, I would think. Yeah, it looks like it fits in there. So this is what we got right here. Wow, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Got little clips down here. This is the base. You bolt this to the ground. So, yeah, so this must be the ducting. This must be the ducting for the heat in, wherever you want to go. I bet you it expands. And then, I don't know where the exhaust goes. This is a vent. I guess we'll have to read the instructions. Oh man, they didn't give me any free diesel. So, here we go. Yeah. This is what we're gonna heat the trailer with. And it is removable, it appears, by some little clip. Oh, these are panels that come off. This must be to maintain it. A couple more in the back here. Oh, maybe gotta take the cap off. Let's see what we got exactly. Got a little clip in there. What we got here exactly. Oh, wow. The unit's only this big, and the fuel tank is wider with this unit than the standard unit because it's long and tall, the standard unit. So I guess if you really wanted to, you could adjust this and move parts and make it a little lower profile if you had to. So I guess that's about it. So we've moved the diesel heater onto a couple of boards and left the exhaust open. We're gonna try to see what we need to do to prime it, get it started, and go from there. As you can see, we've installed a battery, stuck it above a couple of boards here so they don't cause a fire with the exhaust. And we're gonna see if we can fire it up and make it work. You can actually see, but because we're outside in the daylight, it's very hard to make it out, but the fan is turning. The fan is turning and the unit is on. So let's go with, I think up would be to raise the heat, right? Wouldn't you think? Be nice if we could see what that... Oh, that must be down. The fan shut off. The fan picture's on there. It'd be better in a little darker spot, I think. But, that's okay. It is what it is. Okay, so let's try down. I can't see the temperature or anything there. Oh, this is so hard to tell it. So the battery's here. Oh, I can see a little bit better here, see? If you hold it up like that, you can see it a little bit. It's better actually upside down. This is 20 something there. Or 02. Huh. The LED on this is kind of crap because we're in the direct sunlight here. Well, we'll try to see if we can get it to work by playing with it. It's upside down again, but it looks better. It's easier to look at it upside down, isn't it?
I hit the OK button and it shows 29 degrees C.
Okay, well that's probably what it is outside.
Yeah.
We did have the fan going though. But that's the fan blowing again, so.
Don't watch your hand if it lights.
We should get to a temperature where it'll fire. Is that still upside down or is that upside right?
I'm holding it upside down to see it.
Oh yeah.
So
what's this got a 5? Is that a countdown for the time?
we're showing a time, but
it's really hard to see with the daylight. They gotta actually look at it upside down. See if I can feel anything underneath. I can feel air blowing out, but it's not fired yet, so it's not hot air. And I can kind of feel the air coming up from underneath.
to be honest with you, I think you're going to have to watch a couple of videos on how to operate it.
Just shut off.
I unhooked it.
Oh.
It's like this button, the OK button changes the mode.
Yeah.
Sorry, that button changes the mode. So it goes from different things, and you hit OK when you fucking choose, and then you go to another mode and then choose OK. I don't know.
Yeah.
You have to watch the video.
And you can't really see much in the daylight here, so.
Well, it doesn't matter. Until you watch a video, you don't even know what button to push.
Yep, so we're gonna leave it at that today, guys.